When it comes to protecting your Fort Lauderdale home, impact-resistant windows are a game-changer. Living in South Florida means facing the potential threat of hurricanes and severe storms, and ensuring your home's safety is paramount. Here's your comprehensive guide to understanding and choosing the best impact-resistant windows to safeguard your home. What are impact-resistant windows? Impact-resistant windows, sometimes called hurricane windows, are designed to withstand the high winds and debris impact associated with hurricanes. Unlike standard windows, these windows use layers of strong, laminated glass and heavy-duty frames to prevent shattering. This unique design ensures your windows stay intact even under extreme pressure. Benefits of impact-resistant windows. Storm protection. Fort Lauderdale is no stranger to hurricanes, and impact-resistant windows provide a strong line of defense. They are designed to meet stringent standards, protecting your home from debris traveling at high speeds and wind forces that can damage regular windows. Enhanced security. Not only are these windows strong against storms, but they also provide added security against break-ins. The shatter-resistant glass makes it difficult for intruders to gain entry, giving you peace of mind. Noise reduction. Living in a vibrant city like Fort Lauderdale means exposure to noise from traffic, neighbors, or nearby events. Impact-resistant windows offer superior noise insulation, helping to maintain a quiet and peaceful indoor environment. Energy efficiency. Many impact-resistant windows come with energy-efficient glass options, which help reduce your energy bills by keeping heat out in the summer and retaining warmth in the winter. This can result in significant savings over time. Insurance benefits. Many insurance companies recognize the added safety and protection provided by impact-resistant windows. Installing these windows may help lower your homeowner's insurance premiums, saving you money in the long run. Key features to look for in impact-resistant windows. When choosing impact-resistant windows for your Fort Lauderdale home, consider these essential features. Glass composition. The best impact-resistant windows typically use a combination of two glass panes with a layer of polyvinyl butyryl, PVB, or ethylene vinyl acetate, EVA, between them. This layered approach prevents shattering and ensures strength. Window frame material. Choose frames that are designed for durability. Aluminum, vinyl, and reinforced steel are popular choices for impact-resistant window frames due to their strength and resistance to corrosion. Wind load ratings. Make sure your windows meet the specific wind load requirements for Fort Lauderdale and South Florida. Check for the Miami-Dade or Florida Building Code approval, as these are stringent standards for hurricane-prone areas. Design flexibility. Impact-resistant windows come in various styles, including single-hung, double-hung, casement, sliding, and more. This allows you to select windows that match your home's aesthetics while still providing maximum protection. Installation matters. Proper installation of impact-resistant windows is crucial to their performance. Even the best windows won't offer the expected protection if they are not installed correctly. It's best to work with licensed and experienced professionals who understand local building codes and hurricane zone requirements. They can ensure your windows are securely anchored to withstand extreme wind pressures. Maintenance tips. While impact-resistant windows are built to last, regular maintenance will extend their lifespan and performance. Here are some tips. Clean regularly with mild soap and water. Avoid abrasive materials that can scratch the surface. Inspect the seals to ensure they are not worn out or damaged. Lubricate moving parts such as tracks or hinges, if applicable, to prevent corrosion. Are impact-resistant windows worth the investment? For Fort Lauderdale homeowners, the answer is a resounding yes. The combination of enhanced safety, energy savings, noise reduction, and potential insurance benefits make impact-resistant windows an excellent investment. While the initial cost can be higher than standard windows, the long-term benefits more than justify the expense. Conclusion. Protecting your home from the elements is a priority for every Fort Lauderdale homeowner, and impact-resistant windows provide unparalleled defense. From hurricanes and high winds to increased security and energy savings, these windows offer more than just peace of mind. They offer a durable, long-term solution to safeguarding your property. Whether you're building a new home or upgrading an existing one, impact-resistant windows are a smart choice that will stand the test of time.